Welcome to another exciting wildlife journey. Today, we'll dive into fascinating world of iguanas, those scaly majestic lizards that have captured the hearts of many nature enthusiasts. Iguana are a type of lizard found mainly in Central and South America. As well as some Caribbean islands, they belong to the family Iguanidae and are known for their long tails, sharp claws, and impressive size, with some species growing up to 6 feet long, including the tail. Iguanas are highly adaptable creatures and can be found in a variety of habitats. They thrive in a rainforest, desert, and even near water bodies. The most well-known species, the green iguana, is often spotted basking in the trees or lodging near rivers. Did you know the iguanas are primarily herbivores? Their diet consists of leaves, fruits, and flowers. However, some species occasionally include insects and small animals in their diet, making them opportunity feeders. Iguanas have fascinating adaptation for survival. For instance, they have a third eye on the top of their heads, called parietal eye, which help them detect predators from above. They can also sheath their tails to escape from danger and generate them later, a truly remarkable defense mechanism. Iguanas play an essential role in their ecosystem by dispersing seed through their trappings and acting as prey for larger predators. They help maintain the balance of their habitats. Unfortunately, some iguana species are threatened by the habitat loss, hunting, and exotic pet trade. Efforts are being made to protect these reptiles through conservation programs and stricter regulation. Iguanas are incredible creatures that remind us of nature's diversity and resilience. By learning more about them, we can appreciate their role in the ecosystem and work towards their protection. Thank you for learning about iguanas. Let's continue appreciating and protecting nature.